currently short in several positions on Bitcoin, but currently watching Bitcoin bring your attention here. Looking for this candle to close green. If it does, then I think Bitcoin would be ready to sell tomorrow, and we could be near the high here on the daily here. So less than 1 minute until this candle here closes. If it closes, if the body of this candle closes above this candle, which all it would have to do is close green, then this would trigger a short idea. And now this candle does close green. So this candle here, what is this candle? The high of this candle body is 115,937.9. And the high of this candle body here is 115,943.3. So what I'm looking for in this situation is for Bitcoin to put in a lower swing high. So right now, this is the current swing high right here. These two candles. So what I would want to see is anywhere in here, preferably right here. I want to see a new swing high, and that would be the swing high to trade into tomorrow's session. So right now with this candle closing red, or at least not closing red, with this candle being red currently, if it were to close red, and then the following candle as well closed red or closed as a sell, then this would be a swing high. So right now it would take the next 2 hours to factor in whether or not this would be a new swing high. But so far this candle has set it up, and this candle right here is doing all the right moves currently, but we're only or we're less than 2 minutes into the hour on this candle. The reason why I'm considering this, we'll go up to the daily for a top down. That was just what I was looking at in the immediacy. But here on the daily chart, I've got 6 positions on, one from what is this? Wednesday, one from Thursday, and 4 from today, technically based on these. And I took these based on what I was considering this order block right here. This candle, considering it an order block. In this area here, this blue rectangle, a fair value gap here. What has happened is price traded up past, or traded through this fair value gap into this other fair value gap right here, and that fair value gap is associated with this order block right here. So the reason why I was considering this order block fair value gap pair is because this order block fair value gap pair here, this higher one, it had already been rebalanced here. So I wasn't anticipating price to pull back into that fair value gap, and actually I didn't test it, but let's confirm the high here, 116.6, no, yeah, 116.687.6. 116. Okay, so this failed to trade into that fair value gap. So this could potentially still trade into it before it sells off. The only reason why I'm considering this may be, that Bitcoin may be ready to sell, is actually, let's back up, bring your attention here to the 60-minute chart. So I was taking long actually, let's back up. Let's stick on the daily here, just for 1 more minute. So I was taking longs up until here. I took a long here and exited a long in this position once it traded into this fair value gap. Once that happened, then I started looking for shorts, and as you can see, took a ton of short positions here. But what I recognize today is price has still been trading to the long side. When I come back on the 60-minute chart right here, and I've had to scale out so that you can see more of what's happening here. But this is me taking short positions here, and here is where I started taking long positions into this fair value gap up until here, with a sweep of the buy side liquidity resting above these relatively equal highs here. But what I've noticed since that is price action, these fair value gaps, nothing's been rebalanced. So this has just been buy side. This one's been rebalanced here. And then here, another one not rebalanced, and then here. So interesting seeing that buy side delivery, but the biggest concept that I got from here is in all of this area here, there are 0 bearish fair value gaps. So let's zoom in here. So if we look at the price action here, here's the bearish area, but there's no fair value gap. It actually puts in an order block here. And then we'll come up to the next area, and that's here, okay? And there are no bearish fair value gaps, no fair value gaps here. And then come to the next area, here, no fair value gaps. Bullish fair value gaps, buy side delivery, here, this area, here, nothing. So recognizing as price is delivering here, and I'm short bias, but I'm not getting any bearish fair value gaps, no fair value gaps here. And that brings us to the current price action, where bearish fair value gap right here. So this has me considering Bitcoin for a short. As you can see, quite a bit of displacement here to the buy side. So I would anticipate price action to deliver to the sell side and start to rebalance these fair value. This one's already rebalanced, so chances are it will target the price delivery algorithm will target the sell side liquidity here. Rebalance, and then rebalance, and then there are near equal lows down here. So there's sell side liquidity resting down here. There's a lot of sell side liquidity resting down here. So this would be my first primary target here. And I'll show some targets up here on the daily, as I've got targets all the way down here. We can see here this current 60-minute candle gave some buy side delivery, now delivering back to the sell side here. And then let's see, we'll come over to my history. This is the other day. Nothing today. And then yesterday, this is when I figured out another issue that I was having with trying to trade the daily chart. I was getting into trades too early. And these are 2 positions, again, that I was in too early. Just like the 6 positions that I'm in right now, I'm in them too early. Ideally, since I exited my long position here on the daily, since I exited here with the sweep of this buy side liquidity. So they're near equal highs here. Here would have been 1, 2, and then 3. These were the highs that I was targeting, and also this fair value gap, or at least price action trading into it, as these 3 levels had failed to trade into it. So after sweeping out that liquidity, I was only looking for short trades with price action trading into a fair value gap and an order block. So with that, looking for shorts, I was just taking shorts at these, those other trades I was taking shorts all in this candle here, all in this candle here, with the stop here, which is a poor stop. Got stopped out. After I got stopped out, these 2 positions were still on because my stop was back here, and then these 4 positions I added with my stop back here. You can see some of these now. So this being the first one, you can see some targets. Zoom out so you can get an idea for some targets and some trades, some longer range, there are 2 that are the same. Then you'll start to see that they'll start to shorten up. So starting with the furthest targets first, and then they're all over the place. But basically, I'm targeting this liquidity here. So this is sell side liquidity resting below August, and this is sell side liquidity resting below July. I want to target these for a sweep of liquidity, expecting this type of, or anticipating this type of price action to deliver, and taking profits along the way. And then I want to look to the 60-minute as well for intraday opportunities. But this is what I have going currently, and we'll see if price action will give some sell side delivery over the course of Saturday trading. If you'd like to know more, visit us at ontilttrading.com. Trade safe.